Hi, this is Anup, your Max tutor. So, our question is, a toy is in the form of a hemisphere surrounded by a right circular cone of the same base radius as that of the hemisphere. If the radius of the base cone is 21 centimeter and its volume is 2 by 3 of the volume of the hemisphere, and they ask like calculate the height of the cone and the surface area of the toy. So what we're given in the question is, we have a toy, okay, and our toy is like the combination of two objects, okay. Our toy is a combination of two objects. It's having a hemisphere in the bottom, and we have a cone in the top, okay. So it's a combination of a hemisphere and a cone. So let's draw and see something, okay. And they've given one more thing, both of their radius are same, okay. And they've given that the volume of the cone is 2 by 3rd of the volume of the hemisphere, okay. So let's see what they've given, okay. So hemisphere is a half of a sphere, right. The hemisphere is cut into two, that is hemisphere. So let's cut this, okay. Let's cut this into two. So this is our hemisphere. So our hemisphere looks something like this, not like this, it looks something like this. So they've told this like a toy is in the form of hemisphere surrounded by a right circular cone of same base radius, okay. So their both radius are same. So in the top we have a cone, okay. At the top we have a cone, and both of their radius are same that they have given, which is 21 centimeters. So both of their radius are 21 centimeter. So they asked us to find the height of the cone, okay. They asked to height, this is the height of the cone, right. This is the height of the cone. So this is something that we need to find. So they have given that volume of cone, right. Volume of the cone is 2 by 3rd of the volume of the hemisphere. So we can write as volume of cone, which is equal to 2 by 3rd of the volume of hemisphere. So we know the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and we know the volume of hemisphere, right. So what is the volume of a sphere? Volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, right. So hemisphere is like a sphere cut into its half, so its half is 2 by 3, right. Its half is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So right now we got something like this, right. So we can cancel this 3 and 3 over here, and we can cancel this pi, and we can cancel this r square with r cube, okay. So we'll be having a r over here, and we will get something like this. We will get h is equal to 4 by 3 into r. So we know what is r. In our question they've given the radius, right. The radius is 21 centimeter. So the radius is 4 by 3 into 21. So you will get this 3 will be cancelling over here with 7, and we will get 28 centimeter, right. The question they have given, it's centimeter, so everything will be in centimeter. The height of the cone is 21 centimeter. So we got the height of the cone is 21 centimeter, and they asked us to find one more thing, the surface area of the toy. To calculate the surface area of the toy, we need to find surface area of the toy. Our equation is the total surface area, right. We need to find the area, surface area of this hemisphere and the surface area of this cone, okay. So let's write surface area of the toy, which is equal to surface area of the hemisphere plus surface area of the cone. Okay, surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square, right? Which means the total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, and it's a hemisphere, so it's a hemisphere, so its surface area will be its half, so it will be 2 pi r square. So surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus surface area of a cone. Surface area of a cone, we know it's pi r l. Okay, so what is L? L is the slanting height. This is the slanting height. Okay, this is the slanting height. So we don't know the slanting height. That's an unknown value. So to calculate the slanting height, we can use this equation. We can use the Pythagoras theorem over here. Okay, so now we got the height. Okay, we got the height, and we know the radius, right? We know the radius and we know the height. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate the slanting height L, which is equal to root of 21 square plus 28 square, right? We got the h, right? H is equal to 28. So we will get 21 square, which is equal to 441, plus 28 square is equal to 748. By adding this, you will get root of 1225, which is the square root of 35. Okay, now we got the value of L, and we can substitute it over here for the value of L, and we can find the total surface area. So before that, let me take the common terms out. Okay, from here I can take the pi and r from outside. Okay, that's easy of substitution. For the easy of substitution, I can do that. So I'm taking this pi and r from outside, and I'll get 2 r, right? I'll get 2r plus L, right? 2r plus L. I got like pi r. Okay, now I got pi r into 2rl plus L. Now I'll substitute the value for pi as 22 by 7 multiplied by r, which is equal to 21. Inside the bracket, I got 2 multiplied by r, which is equal to 21 plus L, which I just got 35. Okay. So for our convenience, I'm taking a new page. Here I can cancel this 7 over here, right? This 7 into 3 is 21, and I'll get like 22 multiplied by 3. Inside of the bracket, I have 21 into 1, I'll get 42 plus 35, and I'm going to add 22 into 3, adding these two things, and I'll get 77. To make it easy, I'm going to write it as 2 into 11 into 3 into 77. So multiplying with 11 is actually easy. So it's 2 into 11 into 77, we will get something like, we can write as 7 and 7, and all you need to do is add this 7 and 7. So we will get 14, right? So we'll get 4 and we'll get 1 over here. So we will be adding this 7 plus 1 and we will get 8. So we will get 847 multiplied by 3. Okay, so we will get something like 3 into 2. Okay, this 3 into 2 will be 6. So it's easy, right? Now it's 6 into 847, which is 5082, which is equal to what is that? That is 5082 is the total surface area of the toy. Okay, so we got this total surface area of the toy, which is 5082 centimeter square, which is equal to the total surface area of the toy. This is the required answer. Thank you. I hope this answered your question. So let's crack it.